All right, guys, here Anthony Thornton. I'm here with Chase Lance. We are business partners here and under the Nexa Mortgage platform. And what we're doing is we're helping real estate agents earn more cash, like this stack of cash right here. I want to take it from my pocket and put it into your pocket. And so, how can we help you do that? What this meeting is about, we're helping you walk you through how to get your mortgage loan originator license. These are the step-by-step process on how to do it. Because remember, the ultimate goal is you've been missing out on cash, hard-earned cash, and it's in your loan officer's pocket somewhere, the last loan officer you've been doing business with. But I'm saying take it out of his or her pocket, and now let's put it in your pocket. So Chase, go ahead and walk them through exactly what they would need to do to get their mortgage loan originator license. It's so easy to do it. Go ahead.
Absolutely. Thank you guys for joining us here this morning. And if you're watching this video, just like Anthony was saying, this is all about you knocking out the mortgage component to get your fair share of the mortgage money. So what we've got over here in front of you guys is a 3-page checklist that we've done proven with hundreds of real estate agents across North America of how you're able to go from just being a real estate professional to also being a mortgage expert, getting paid your fair share of the mortgage money. So in doing that, we knock it out. And believe it or not, guys, 1 to 2 weeks max. This is not like getting a real estate license. We're not going to be going over this for 2-3 months, hoping we pass. This is a 1 week or 2 week process max. Set it and forget it. And you're going to make, as Anthony mentioned, an extra 4,000 to 8,000, if not more than that, every single month. So the process here, number one, you're ready to get rocking and rolling. And to do that, the first thing you're going to do is get what we call your NMLS ID number. Your NMLS ID number, that's the same thing as your real estate license number, just Mortgage World talk. So we're going to get you guys that ID right there. Absolutely free, no charge there. A quick process to get that over the next couple minutes. Once you've got the NMLS ID number, it's time for you to get enrolled in our mortgage partner licensing course. As I mentioned, this is only a week-long course, 20 hours. You can knock it out from the flexibility of your home, wherever you are in the world, and you don't have to spend 90 hours like that real estate license you have. So we're going to knock that out. Click that little hyperlink down there to get registered for pre-licensing. And once you knock out the pre-licensing, we're going to want to get you guys equipped with the knowledge to go take the final exam confidently so we can really start paying you here. And to make that easier, we've got 5 videos from Miss Tricia Woods here. She's a mortgage expert for you guys getting licensed. So if you're wondering, are you going to learn something while doing this? Absolutely. You guys are going to walk away from this being like, man, I understand how money works. Now I can go back to all these past buyers and man, we can get them a home very quick. So we're going to get you guys all the licensing material we need right there. Again, it's only a 20-hour course. We'll knock that out very quickly. Once we knock out that pre-licensing course, the next thing we need to do is set you guys up for success with the national test component. So we'll schedule you guys for the national exam. And here's the good news. You can take that from your home as well. You don't have to go to no test center or get in your car and drive to downtown somewhere. You're just ready to rock and roll from the get-go. So we'll knock that out, the exam at home in front of your computer. Very simple there. Once you guys knock out that test right there, next thing that's going to happen is me and Anthony are going to be reaching out saying, all right, it's time now for you to get paid your fair share of the money. And what we're going to do is a 3-part onboarding system. We're going to get you enrolled. We're going to get you all the access you're going to need to be a Rockstar mortgage referral partner here. And once we get you on board, as you know, you're going to start sending those buyers over for purchases or refinances. And as Anthony mentioned, yes, it's time for you to get your fair share of that LO money. There's no reason they should be keeping it. We just want to give it back to you guys so you can grow and scale your business accordingly. So Anthony, what am I missing there for everybody here who's about to embark on this journey with us?
Well, you covered everything pretty good, Chase. I just want to make sure that I want you real estate agents to know you're getting your license just so you can get a mortgage application link that you'll be sending to your clients, and you just be helping us gather the documents, and then our loan team will take the loan from start to finish. Like, you don't have to do loans. You don't have to add any more work than what you've been doing to take this money from your old loan officer's pocket and put it into your pocket, or your new Louis Vuitton purse, or your new Mercedes-Benz, or your new investment property. Whatever you're going to use this Cold Hard Cash for, I want you to know we want to give it to you in the next 30 days. Imagine making $4,000 to $8,000 or more, as much as you can skillfully handle in the next 30 days, just by getting your mortgage loan originator license from your home. 20 hours, not the 75-hour course that you took that was so complicated and most agents maybe failed it 1 or 2 times. You can get up and running the next couple weeks, start earning the next 30 days, and take this cold hard cash and start making good use of it. All right, that's all I got, Chase. Unless you got anything else, you let me know, because I'm ready to onboard as many agents that we can help be as successful as they want to be.
Absolutely, Anthony. I think it's time for everybody here to go serve big.
All right, go serve big. See you guys soon.